What happens when the very men who once enforced the law find themselves in danger of being arrested by the very system they once served? The nation watched with raised eyebrows this week as Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin made a statement that sent political tremors through the country. Speaking on the ongoing drug war investigation by the International Criminal Court, ICC, Bersamin confirmed that if the ICC issues a warrant for Senator Ronald Bato Dela Rosa, the Philippine government may act on it. His words were clear. There may be consequences. If the ICC proceeds and a warrant is issued, the government could be compelled to arrest Senator Dela Rosa. That's a statement with massive implications because Dela Rosa is not just any senator. He is the former chief of the Philippine National Police, one of the main architects of the Duterte administration's deadly anti-drug campaign, and arguably the public face of a war that left thousands of Filipinos dead. But Dela Rosa is not taking it lying down. In a sharp and emotionally charged rebuttal, Senator Dela Rosa fired back, accusing the palace of playing politics. Mahilig sila sa ganyan, he said, rehashed issue na i-recycle para lang to divert the people's attention. He claims this renewed focus on the ICC investigation is a deliberate distraction from recent controversies involving First Lady Liza Araneta-Marcos. He went even further. In a direct dare to President Marcos Jr.'s administration, he said, "Commit the same mistake again, surrender a Filipino to the ICC, and let's see where that takes us." It's a stunning moment of defiance from a man who once stood as the symbol of state power during one of the most controversial periods in Philippine history. And beneath it all, there's a deeper tension brewing. The growing friction between Philippine sovereignty and international accountability. At the center of this storm is the ICC's ongoing investigation into crimes against humanity allegedly committed during Duterte's drug war. Earlier this year, the ICC issued a warrant of arrest for former President Rodrigo Duterte himself. Now all eyes are on who might be next, and Dela Rosa's name is front and center. Attorney Kristina Conti, a legal representative working closely with the ICC proceedings, added a critical perspective. If we want real accountability, we have to be willing to face the consequences of past actions. The ICC isn't interested in politics, it's interested in justice, said Attorney Kristina Conti. The Philippine government insists no official warrant has been received for Dela Rosa. Malacanang says they have not been formally notified by the ICC of any new developments. But the message from Bersamin and the growing political noise surrounding the issue suggests a shift in tone. Quiet cooperation, perhaps? Meanwhile, Dela Rosa has hinted that he's prepared to take drastic steps if things escalate. Though he stopped short of admitting he'd go into hiding, he left enough ambiguity to stir speculation. His strategy now appears to be simple: cast doubt on the administration's motives, rally nationalist sentiment, and challenge the legitimacy of the ICC's reach. But here's the deeper question. Can a nation truly move forward if its leaders remain immune from accountability? Can justice be served without confronting painful truths? This moment is not just about Bato. It's about our country's future, its commitment to justice, and its place in the global community. The drug war tore through thousands of lives. Victims, families, neighborhoods. Some are still grieving. Some are still demanding answers. Whether or not the ICC proceeds with new warrants, the issue is no longer just legal. It is profoundly moral. What kind of country do we want to be? We're watching history unfold in real time. Stay with us. Follow the story. Question everything. If you found this analysis valuable, like, share, comment, and subscribe to AngKampanero. Tinig ng Katotohanan, Tunog ng Kasaysayan. Salamat sa lahat ng bagong subscribers at sa mga patuloy na nanonood ng aming mga video. Let's keep the bell ringing for truth, justice, and freedom.